So whoever wishes to speak first can volunteer themselves. Just write a V in the chat box so that I can listen to your stories. Did you do something nice, something new? Did you learn something, or what did you do for fun? Everybody will speak, but if you wish to speak first, you can write V here. And I like people who stand up for themselves. Yes. Anyone? If you wish to speak first, just write V. All your name are visible here. It's very clear to me. And if you do not do that, then we will play Kismat Ka Khel. And those who do not know what Kismat Ka Khel is, it means randomly picking anybody. And bonus points for those who volunteer, because confidence is everything. All right, we'll get there. Gunika, I can see your mic is unmute. You may speak. Rajvardhan, please mute your mic. Gunika, how are your vacations? Can you hear me? I gave you the permission to unmute the mic. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Priyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
how were your vacations?
Ma'am, not good.
Oh, did something happen?
Ma'am, because at every vacations we go somewhere, but this time we didn't go. We are not able to go anywhere, and we are just at home for long time.
That is the case with everyone. I'm sure you did something nice to occupy your time. Did you learn something new?
Yes, ma'am.
Elaborate? बताओ हमें.
I was learning Spanish on Duolingo.
Ah, yes. You people advised me Duolingo. I also tried that. It's quite fun. But I am not as smart as you people are. I'm struggling with it a lot. Okay. Next one. Rama,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
did you do something fun these vacations? Would you like to share with us?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I learned French on Duolingo.
You learned French. All right, nice. Tell me 5 words that are used in the chapter French Revolution and what do they mean?
Ma'am,
Ah, yes, you learned
ma'am,
French.
ma'am, but I am not able to link it with the chapter.
Just give me 1 second. Yes. You were not able to link it with the chapter. See, that is what we need to do. Whatever new things we are learning, if it is possible, incorporate. See, like in French Revolution, you can always understand the few things that they are using, like la citoyenne, party, and these kind of words. And there was one word, collate or collate. I do not know exactly how to pronounce that, but you can look after those words also. You can look upon those words that what do they exactly means. It might add to your knowledge. All right, Gunika, you're back.
Okay,
How were
ma'am.
your vacations? Gunika, can you hear me, beta? Gunika. All right. Surname, how were your vacations? Did you do something nice, something fun?
Ma'am, vacation is fine.
Did you learn something new?
No, ma'am.
Are
Ma'am, due to coronavirus, we won't be able to go anywhere.
nobody was able to go anywhere. You should have learned something new at home ना. कुछ तो किया होगा. टाइम कैसे पास किया इतना सारा? कुछ तो किया होगा. मूवीज देखी, पिक्चर सीरीज देखी, कुछ तो किया होगा बेटा.
Yes, ma'am, ma'am, about the space, ma'am. I see video about
बताओ.
space.
तो बताओ ना मुझे. डिड यू डू यू फॉलो व्हाट इफ? देयर इज अ चैनल ऑफ व्हाट इफ. उसका नाम ही व्हाट इफ है. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. इफ यू लाइक स्पेस थिंग्स यू विल लाइक दैट आल्सो. Just give me 1 second. I'm facing some problem from my side. In the meantime, yes, Janvi, how were your vacations?
Ma'am, it is not too excited because always it is because this time it is a quarantine vacation, so that reason is not something more exciting.
So, all right, that is true for everyone. That is why I'm asking. See, these are the kind of vacations you might never get. The vacations that you have to spend at home doing absolutely nothing. Hopefully, we never have to face such kind of situations. But this is how we grow. Learning in adverse situation. Did you learn anything new? Did you do anything exciting?
Um, Ma'am, I used to learn little bit of cooking and little bit of main something words like, and I was used to see many movies. That
Mhm. Okay, nice. Did
yes,
you watch
ma'am, that
anything?
enough.
Did you watch anything nice? Recommend something to me.
Ma'am, nothing.
Nothing nice. Chalo,
Ma'am, because you know more about me about some series, novels, so that reason.
you should never assume that somebody knows more than you. Anybody can surprise you. Okay. Yes. Bhupendra Ojha,
Yes,
how are
ma'am.
your vacations? भूपेंद्र, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसी रही छुट्टी? कुछ अच्छा बढ़िया किया?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ.
Ma'am, I learn skills of sketch drawing.
अच्छा, you also know sketching?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Good. बढ़िया है. Then I am expecting a very good project from you. Good work. Nilay, how are your vacations?
Ma'am, my vacations was kind of fun because, ma'am, I was already occupied with so many things that I got time to complete those first. So, ma'am, actually, ma'am, there were a lot of things that I was, I have to complete it. I was always thinking about that. How, when will I complete? How will I complete? But in these vacations, I got very much time to complete those. So, yeah,
See,
these are very productive for me.
that's very nice. That's very, very good. Can you share something with us? Just something, some little thing
Yes, ma'am.
that you did?
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, there are many papers like NSC, JS, etc., which were going on. So, ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
their syllabus is like an absolute vast syllabus, ma'am. There's nothing like particular. So, ma'am, ma'am, there were many things left for me to cover in for that paper. So, ma'am, yeah, in this vacation I covered almost everything. So now I am feeling a bit more confident about that.
Nice. If you are happy, that is how vacation should be spent. At the end, you should feel happy about it. Good work. Okay, next. Pujit, how are your vacations?
Ma'am, they were fine. I have learned the Japanese.
Yes, you were the one that suggested me Duolingo. Good. Any three new words? We were talking about it last time. You were telling me the different kinds of dialect. Any three new words from Japanese that might be useful?
Ma'am, konnichiwa means hello. When we say hello, it means konnichiwa. And
Uh-huh.
ma'am, matsuri means bye.
Uh-huh.
When we say bye. And ma'am, when we congratulate anyone, then we
Mm-hmm.
say omedetou gozaimasu. When it's
Mm-hmm.
birthday, then we say tanjobi.
Uh-huh.
And ma'am, when we say nice to meet you, we say hajime matishi. When we say name, means self introduction, so we say watashi wa, then name, then this.
It's getting too much from me. I'll get back to you some other day. इतना ज़्यादा मुझे याद नहीं रह पाएगा. But thank you. Good work. It means you have learned a lot. Good job. Hitendra, how are your vacations? You learn tunes on KCO. Nice. I would definitely love to hear that someday. Whenever we'll get bored of studying, we'll get back to you. Ayush, how were your vacations? Ayush Jain,
Yes, ma'am.
how were your vacations, beta? Did you do
Ma'am,
anything
fine.
fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Batao.
Ma'am, I am learning video editing.
You're learning video editing.
Yes,
Nice,
ma'am.
good, good work. ये इतनी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें सीख रहे हो. मेरे काम जरूर आना तुम लोग. Someday if I
Yes,
need
ma'am.
help. Thank you. Aditi Jain, how were your vacations? You learned painting, doodle art, and cooking. Doodle art. I love these kind of things. We will look up to your artwork someday. Thank you. And who else? Myra, how was your vacation? I can't hear you, beta. Okay, Myra, I'll get back to you after some time. There seems to be a problem. All right. Hemant, how are your vacations? Are you doing well? Hemant?
Ma'am, I learn in my vacations stand-up comedy.
Ah, prepare something for me. One day when we will get bored, we will definitely get you for the entertainment.
Okay.
Good work. Did I leave somebody? Mukund Meena, how were your vacations, dear? What did you do? How did you spend your time? Mukund Meena, can you hear me? Okay, I'll get back to Mukund Meena after some time. Mukund Sharma,
Yes, ma'am.
कैसी रही छुट्टी? कुछ अच्छा किया?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ.
मैम पबजी में ड्रॉप शॉट खेलना सीख गया.
Some progress. Good work. Proud of you.
Thank
Yes.
you, ma'am.
Rajvardhan, did you do something new, something exciting?
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए, share करिए.
Ma'am, I learn cooking from mom.
Oh, anything special?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ ना. मेरे अगले अगले सवाल का वेट क्यों करते हो? एक साथ बोल दिया करो.
Ma'am, I learn non roti
Okay.
and very type of dishes.
Various
But
types of dishes. Okay, book me someday because I have asked every student that learned cooking, they will get me a tiffin someday when all this pandemic
yes, ma'am.
situation is over.
Yes, ma'am. Of
Just
course.
just give me 1 second, please. Myra, are you back? Myra, can you hear me? I think there might be some problem. I will move ahead then. Yashika, how were your vacation?
Ma'am, nice.
Did something fun? Tell us, please.
Ma'am, I played Seven Stones.
Areva, you are very lucky. You got somebody to play with. I got very bored during all these vacations.
Yes, ma'am. Many people come at that time.
Uh-huh. I
Some
hope
Gunika
you
also come.
I hope you are practicing all the preventive measures and just stay safe, have your fun, and good luck. Sham
Thank you,
Meena,
ma'am.
how are you? Just unmute your mic. Let me listen to your voice, see your face. I don't think I've ever seen you in my class. Yes, Sham Meena, I'm waiting for you. Unmute your mic. Let me hear your voice. Okay, just try to take care of that problem, because if these kind of problem persist in the classroom, you might not be able to express your doubts. Just work on that. Stay in some kind of area where the network is all right. And Shubham Sahu, did I talk to you? I don't think I talked to you. How were your vacations?
I'm good.
Aage?
Ma'am, I am seeing all Bollywood movies of 2020 and 50% movies of Hollywood movies.
Okay, name your favorite one.
Ma'am, Hollywood movies Extraction.
Extraction was a little violent for you, but yeah, it was a good movie. Sajid, how were your vacation?
Ma'am, I had my coding classes.
Which classes? Sorry?
And coding classes like Java.
Coding. Oh, nice. It means you learned something high tech, above my intellectual level. Good work. Nice. Ratika, did we talk today? I don't think we talked today.
No, ma'am, we didn't.
Okay, how were your vacations? Had fun?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I learned Spanish
Uh,
and cooking.
बढ़िया चीजें कर रहे हो यार तुम लोग. Good. I'm very happy and now I'm feeling like I wasted my vacations, but it's all right. Rajvardhan, did we talk today? I don't
Yes,
think we
ma'am.
did. I don't think we did.
Yes, ma'am.
हर चीज का जवाब yes थोड़ी होता है. मुझे ये बताओ, what did you do in your vacation?
Ma'am, I learned cooking.
Oh, I think I talked to you. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
Because the list keeps getting here and there. Sorry, my bad. Pranav Srivastav, I don't think we talked. Have you resolved all the problems that you were facing? Pranav? Watched a movie every day on. Yes. Just try talking to me. I would like to listen to your voice. I got very bored in all these vacations. I'm missing you all, guys. It would be better if you will talk to me. Just give me 1 second, please. I need to configure something. Yes, I'm back here. Aditi Jain, I think I talked to Aditi Jain also. Did I miss somebody? Nakul, I missed you. I'm sorry. Nakul,
Yes, ma'am.
how were vacations? Had fun? Did something nice?
Yes, ma'am. I make first time pizza and cake in my life.
I still have not done that. You're one step ahead of me. Good work. Is there anybody who I'm left by mistake? Please write why with your name so that I may talk to you. I do not want to miss anybody, even by mistake. I think all my Mukund, both of my Mukund were left. I don't think I talked to anyone. No, Mukund Sharma. I talked to Mukund Sharma. I think Mukund Meena was left. Mukund Meena, did we have a talk today? Or did I miss anybody else? If I did, I'm very sorry. Please talk to me on your own. You people don't seem like in the mood to talk to me, but I really want to talk to you. So whoever wishes to talk to me is free to do that. See, I'm quite interested in your work.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Rajvardhan.
मैम आपने तो पूछ लिया हमने क्या किया आपने क्या किया
The same thing was asked to me by class 10th. I pretty much wasted my vacation taking off exertion that I had all the year because I did not have much vacation. I lazed around. I tried to do something initially, but then I ended up watching TV and all the series and movies like you guys. But I did try to learn a few words of different languages because I was watching content from all over the media of different languages. I watched a lot of documentaries. I read some books, and but it were not like really good. I did not make much use of my vacations, but I'm very proud that all of you did. And I discovered some new things. I got a little bit obsessive about things that I should not have, but it's all right. And it was pretty much fine. I did not even feel bored. I had a lot of fun by myself. I had my family. We played a lot of games. We used to play cards every day. We used to do a lot of things. We watched all the Marvel movies. I think we did that before the summer vacation. But yes, we watched a lot of movies together. It was fun family time. We had a lot of bonding. We talked to a lot of family members because when we grow up, we grow old, we do not get much time to connect with our friends and family. But this time was a good one. Yes, I also watched all of them, and this time in Hindi. It was way more entertaining. I did not think it would be, but it was a little bit more entertaining, that I would like to admit. So if you do not feel like talking to me anymore, then we will get back. Can you guess when our school will reopen? It's more or less like सिक्का उछालने की बात है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. See, we should not focus on the things that are out of our control. That's what I feel like. There are some things which we do not decide, we do not have much to do about. These are not the decisions that we will take. So it's better if we do not think about it much, because the more you think about it, you will start feeling helpless, that I can't do anything, why doesn't school reopen, why can't I see my friends, and there are n number of things that you might feel. But since these things will only add up to your negativity, my suggestion is do not think that way. Think of it in this way, that how long the online classes will be there. Think positively. See, if you are having online classes, you can have a lot of fun here, because in offline classes a lot of things can happen in the classroom. You might get bullied by your friends, you might get made fun of by your friends, but here there is not much scope for each of you to bother. You can focus more on your studies, and I can focus a lot on you if you speak out here. In a classroom it is a little bit difficult to focus on each and every student, but here if you write something in the chat box, I will immediately focus on you and I'll try my best to resolve your questions. So think of it in a positive manner. It will be good for all of us. We'll all feel good about it. I am quite happy. It's very hot. School gets very hot in this type of weather. We are all sitting in our homes, comfortable. It's good. Think of it in a positive manner. So, anything else do you wish to talk about, or should we get into padhai mode? Okay, I can't see any message here, so I will get back on the padhai mode. Did I send you that voting that I did for the next chapter that we have to do? Did I send that to class 9th? Did I send any Google form regarding voting in this class?
No, ma'am.
No, I didn't.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so should we vote about what we should study next, or are you all in unison? If you wish to vote, just write vote in the chat box, or write VT, it's shorter. Okay, you want a vote. There are two options by which we can do that. We can do that by the Google document format also. And I think it will be better if we do that in the Google. Okay. Seems like this class loves democracy. Yes, accepted. Your motion is granted. We will have a vote by Google Doc. We will have a vote by Google Doc after this class. I'll send a link on the class group. Just go there. I will write the name of the chapters. Whatever chapter you wish to study next, you should select that. And it would be better if you do not vote again and again. Otherwise, I have to filter out the multiple votes. Just think about it. You have 24 hours. After 24 hours, that Google document will cease to exist, and then we will go with what happens next. Because in class 10th, I did the same exercise. They were all saying here in the classroom that they want to study geography, but when the voting happened, they all voted for democratic politics. And now they are upset that they voted for something, because most of you do not participate in voting. You just say here, write here, and get lazy afterwards. So don't do that. Participation is more important than winning. It doesn't matter which chapter you choose. So let me just have a quick recap of what we already did. We have not done what is democracy. Just correct me if I'm going wrong somewhere. We have not started economics. We have not done what is democracy. And we have done French Revolution. We have done physical features. We have done all the chapters of we have done most of the chapters of geography. So I will prefer, if you do not opt for geography right now, it will be better. And next, okay, I will just put up every chapter and we will study accordingly, but it will be better if we go a little by the line. And let's see how it goes. But it would be better if we start economics, but again I will go with how people respond. Is there anything you wish to share about your studies? Is there any kind of thing you're feeling that you feel like it should be out in the world? Did you face any kind of problem studying? See, because this class I have to take all the problems that you have and try to resolve it, because once we start going into the teaching mode, it becomes a little bit difficult to talk to you about these things. Then I have something to talk about, and I think you might like it. It is a little story about Christianity. See, the Orthodox Christianity, because we will be studying German. We will be studying Germany, we will be studying Russia, we have already studied France, but we do not understand some kind of things that were happening here because we do not live in that kind of environment. So we need to study where all of that comes from. See, Christianity, it was established around 2000 years ago, because the Christian calendar is what we are following. At the birth of Jesus Christ, it was taken as zero, and right now it is 2019. So absolutely, 2019 years ago, there was this rise of some people who were followers of Jesus Christ, hence the name Christian. See, Jesus Christ, he was born as a Jew. He was born as a Jew. That was a kind of community that earned money by money lending. लोगों को उधार देके, you have a problem, I'm not getting. Yes, Nakul, I'll just get back to you in 2 minutes. Just give me 2 minutes and remind me again. Let me just carry on this story a little bit. See, so what happened here, that the Jewish community, it was felt like the Jewish community, it was very backward. And Jesus Christ, he had some new notions, he had some new ideas, and he imparted some different kind of knowledge to people, and people were very assignment. I'll get back to you. So what the followers of Christ believed in, what he taught, and later all his teachings, they were compiled by his follower in a book called Bible. See, all of this led to a different kind of religion that is spread very fast through all Europe. And when it spread all through Europe, people, they were who were the followers of Christianity, and slowly after some time, some changes happened. And like every religion, some people had some different ideas about how to interpret that religion. So that particular religion got divided into different kind of sects. The main sects that we will be studying will be Catholic, Russian Orthodox, and the Protestants. The Catholics were mostly the people who followed the original teachings of Jesus Christ. The Protestants were one who were a little reformed, and the Orthodox were a little bit mix of that. So when we are talking about the clergy in French Revolution, so it refers to the class of priest. Priest of what? The priest of churches. The priest of churches, they had immense power because people believed in God. And when people start believing in God, there are some kind of agencies that start extorting on the name of God. So that is what they were doing. Extortion मतलब कि वो क्या उनसे पैसे खींच रहे थे. On the name of God, they were taking taxes. जो हमने देखा था that there were three classes: nobility, clergy, and general people. See, nobility was taking taxes because they were maintaining country. Clergy was taking taxes just on the name of religion. And that seemed unfair to people, and they used to enjoy a lot of privileges because they were considered people of God. They were considered people of God. So even if they committed any crime, they were tried only by the church. मतलब अगर आपने कुछ crime करा है तो भी उसके बाद उसका जो trial होगा या जो उसकी कार्यवाही होगी वो चर्च में होगी, और चर्च के अंदर they could not give harsh punishment to people. So slowly what happened that some people started taking disadvantage of this fact, and they started oppressing people. लोगों पर pressure बनाने लग गए. They start treating them badly, and that is why people resented clergy class also. And that was the root of a lot of problems in France. See, if people are suffering, what are the people who are the followers of God supposed to do? They're supposed to help people. See, that is what religion is all about. Religion is about taking care of everyone because they all believe in something bigger than themselves, something which is stronger than themselves. But because of the greed of some people, people start resenting the whole situation, the whole establishment. That is what was happening in France. And when we will come back to here, in Russia also, there were some problems which happened because of religion also. And when we will study Germany, we will study that Hitler, he intentionally persecuted or targeted some classes of people, among which a big class was belonging to the people of Jewish community. The first question that students asked, that what was wrong with the Jews? Nothing was especially wrong with the Jews. goes back to the rivalry that Christianity and Jewish community had back then when the Christianity was established. See, Christianity has some kind of tenets which does not favor money lending. See, every religion has their own basics and all their faith, but they did not favor money lending. So there were some people who interpreted that as for the hatred of Jews, and Hitler, and he used that for his own agenda. See, there are some things that some people dislike, but if you start गिविंग फायर टू दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, अगर आप किसी भी चीज को भड़काने लग जाते हो, किसी के भी अगेंस्ट अगर आप कुछ गलत बात को भड़काने लग जाते हो, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, द होल कंट्री कोलैप्सेस, एंड दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड टू जर्मनी व्हेन वी विल लुक अहेड. I hope this kind of things were a little clear to you. So now that we will move ahead into the chapters, we will know a little bit more where the basics lie, because these kind of things, they are not given in the book, but we should know about all these things because that is where the problem lies. The root of problem is there. Another kind of people that the Hitler hated were the socialist class. अभी socialist क्या है? It will come into a democratic politics also. It will come into a chapter of socialism in Russia also. Socialism is the philosophy that believes that everybody should be treated equally, that no one should be oppressed by somebody. And when it comes to a socialist society like Russia, it started believing that everybody should be treated equally. So what they did, that some people had bigger houses, the nobility and the powerful people have bigger houses, and some people were living in villages and in cramped areas. So what they did, they made them free, just go and live in all those big houses. That was the kind of socialism that they started practicing. So socialism goes both way. It keeps poor protected and it takes away privileges from people who are in the better situation. Sometimes it's very unfair because it makes everybody work hard and every kind of fruit is divided equally amongst everyone. It seems good in ideology, but it created a lot of problem. And what kind of problems it created, we will look back when we will go into this chapter's Russian Revolution, and when we will see that how just try to imagine a world where people are hated for what they follow. It's a very bad thing. It's very, very bad thing to just start outcasting people, start treating people differently just because they follow a particular region, and how it goes against the basic human rights. We will see that in democratic politics also. See, everything is interwoven and interconnected. Do not treat all these four subjects differently from each other. We'll have to keep looking back at all of these things and connect these dots. See, social science is all about the dots that they leave in the books. We have to connect everything so that we may understand it better. And for better understanding, what I always say, at least read the books. It is better if you consult different sources, but if you do not have time for that, we totally understand, because you have a lot of subjects to read about. Just try to study whatever is in your book so that you can have some doubt. Because when you have doubt that ये कहाँ से आया, ये ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं, and what is the reason behind it, then you can understand the whole picture and you can write the answers yourself. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you if you try to copy answers from refreshers and online and you start mugging that up, because mugging up also has some kind of limitation. One day you will just get bored of it, and then you will be like, social science is the most boring subject because there are so many questions, so many chapters. But if you understand things, you do not need much. You do not need to be grammatically correct. You just need to understand facts and express them. So just read the books, understand things, and we will carry on from here. Whatever is the result of the poll, I will post it tomorrow itself. Within 24 hours, you will have the result by 4 p.m. and you will know that which chapter we are reading. And we will begin with the introduction of that chapter. I hope that's cool with everyone, and I will send that Google Doc as soon as possible. Just give me a little time. I'll just make it as fun as possible, and vote as soon as possible. And I hope you have a good day from here on. We will have class 3 times a week. There is a lot of time, not much course to cover, but I need inputs from you. The more questions you add, the more questions you ask, the more interesting it becomes. Assignment kya hai? Pranav Srivastava, were you present in the class before the summer vacations? We were all given projects on natural disasters. Nakul Agrawal, whatever problem you seem to have with your project, what is your idea? Just email me. We will talk through email about this. because it needs one-to-one attention. Anybody else has any other problem? If Pranav does not have that file with instruction and the topics, please somebody send it to him again. And if you cannot view that, message me back on WhatsApp. I'll send that file to you. Does anybody has anything else to ask, or should I close this session? If anybody does, please write it in the chat box. Otherwise, we are out of time anyway. Okay, so that will be all for today's class. Sairam, and have a nice day. Please start leaving the class one by one. Thank you.
Sairam ma'am. Sairam ma'am.
Sairam to your beta. Sairam.
Sarah, ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam. Sairam.
Sairam ma'am.